Coming up in there, no doubt about it. Appreciate it.
Hey, Boogie Man, 445 Radio Man, reading the mail on you up there.
5-7 with the Sunday afternoon wave.
Yeah, right there, right back, 357. It's 434 over here on the transmitter. Hey, 357, it's 434 down here to camp, man. I came down here, hijacked the transmitter for a few hours there. 357 Tennessee, 434 down the county on the mail.
No copy, no get back on 357. No copy, no get back on 357. 554 in the big trees, and I'm back on the bushes.
Hey, 554, 445, heard you in Mississippi. Sounding good up there. 554, 445, Mississippi. They call me Radio Man. Bye.
I heard that. I did. 8434.
Good afternoon. Hello, 642 Silver Bullet reading the mail.
Down here around the Smoky Hills of Tennessee. Hey, Mr. 434, you're better. Around Dade, May County, 357.
Radio Man. Bye.
All right, 357, appreciate the bump. It'll get a little rough and tough. I got Radio Man and Silver Bullet up in there too, but you should have heard it all right there. Hey, 357, 434 New Jersey, waving and pulling back.
Right in that mail. This is on this darn ground plan. 8500.
Good evening, Gump. Hello, Gump. Sounding good up here.
Peanut butter and jelly, I'm down.
0357, we said good afternoon. Good afternoon, 434, I'm reading the mail.
Over on the vertical side again, I don't know if that made any difference, but hey, we all get our burn, that's for sure. Hey, 434, 357 Tennessee, right back.
Yeah, I don't know. Might have been better on the horizontal side, but who the hell knows? 8357, I guess you got that nickel. I'm on this mail.
57.
Oh, there's no doubt about it. Boston Radio, Boston, Massachusetts.
Right back, Gump. I don't know what in the world they might be doing out there, but right about now, I think they might be underneath your thumb. I don't know what the world they're doing or where they're at, but right now, in my radio room, they gotta be underneath your thumb.
It don't matter, you know what I'm saying? People think if you're both on the floor.
I appreciate you rolling the fan on the horizontal side, no doubt. Hey, 434 Silver Bullet waving, I see you.
Just talk to your radio. Hey, 434, while you're doing that thing, keep up the good work. 357 pulling back.
All right, 357. Yeah, you know how it is. You don't talk to your radio, usually gets you in trouble. 357 Tennessee, 434 around the county on this hijack transmitter, waving and going. I'll see you.
Run over. I just got this small little transmitting station here, and I'm on a cotton picking ground plane, and I might get my lips cut off right in the middle of the road. So you have a good day. I appreciate you bumping it down.
554, what's going on? 554.
Gump, I got it all, Gump. Number 4 got down. I'll see you. 434, you say I'm in?
How about it, number 4? Hey, number 4, 445 Radio Man out around Mississippi, trying to get up in your radio, number 4. Tell me about it.
Sure is. Hey, 434, keep them stirred up. We're going to listen in again. If you still got a sloppy copy, 357 in the 10.
All right there, 357. Yeah, he's sounding good up here, no doubt. I think he's got that mobile tied with an antenna or something. Hey, we're just looking for somebody to come in there and try to step up to the plate and maybe get a little rough and tough out here. But so far, nobody's out there. I heard, somebody up there in Jersey come in there, but he going real fast, man. I guess he didn't see 30 or 60 dBs in his radio, so he maybe changed the channel, dropped the mic, or did something. But that's just how it goes. 434 on this hijack transmitter on this mail. Look for a little competition. I'll see you.
Right back, Gump. Hey, Gump,
Yeah, 434, he dropped out. Hey, 434, 445 back here with the green. I guess he dropped out.
My head's rough and tough now, boy. Good, great, your life.
Dropped out.
You in there.
I guess he dropped out.
And the little company was Pistol Group.
Hey, number 4. Hey, number 4 in the Keystone. Good afternoon, number 4, Silver Bullet. We're reading the mail.
Hey,
I'm going to put that number 4 in some pink panties and a skirt, man. I'm going to have him cross-dressed and cross-keyed. I'm going to have number 4 in a skirt, a dress, and some high heels, cross-dressing and cross-keying. 434 in his hijack transmitter on the mill.
By gum. You said he should stop at the hardware store and get a bunch of washers. You said he ought to stop off at the hardware store and get some washers. I heard what you...
34357 said, how come you want to be so mean?
Hey, 357, you tie a dog to a house, man, with a 3-foot rope, it's going to get a little mean, man. You got to let it run a little bit. Hey, 357, you got to let the dog run a little bit. I'm tied to this thing with a 3-foot rope. That ain't no fun, man. I ain't out on that cordless where I can do something else. I'm tied to this hijack transmitter with a 3-foot rope. Hey, 357, 434. I'm just trying to talk to my radio, have a little fun. I'm on the mill.
With the